Milwaukee half-inch high-torque bolt braking was hands down the best one we had.
When you use that tool, you really have the best outcome with it.
The half-inch high-torque has a lot of power, works real good, and it's a lot smaller than the other ones, which is nice.
Pretty impressive how much power is in such a compact unit. It's a lot easier for the guys to handle 7-8 hours out of the day.
It's more compact than other tools, so it has better access.
Tightening bolts faster, breaking connections loose faster, reaming holes faster.
It takes off lug nuts fast. It takes any bolt that it gets on fast.
Everything about that gun is kind of in a class of its own right now.